Okay, this guy's been in a barn for a while. 64 Cadillac convertible. They drove it in here, but that was a while ago. Actually, pretty straight. Trunk's not rotted out at all. I believe most of the bumpers there. No trunk lid. No convertible parts. Doors rusted out. Or floor. No dash. So, I know it has a drivetrain. Let's see if I can get it open. The 429. All that stuff looks good. I believe that fender is bent down there. That door's rusted. But looks like they sanded it down. They were going to do something with it. There it is. 64 Cadillac convertible, remnants, parts or restore, I don't know. Yeah, that door's shot. See what's going on back here. I can get a better shot of this side. That bumper will probably be okay. Yeah, the trunk looks really good. So I got some parts on here. If anybody needs any, or I'll sell the whole car. I don't know if there's anything you can do with it. People have told me they've done more with less, but 64 Cadillac, I'm gonna have to dig down to get it out of here. Nice big compressor. Okay, I'm in the direct sunlight here, but that's why I'm squinting. Today, I got to get I'm working on a 64 Cadillac that's sitting in this, I call it a lean-to barn. We'll get to that in a minute, but this is a parts car. Occasionally, I get parts cars. Man, that sun is bright. I can barely open my eyes. But anyway, I got the dash out of this thing, and we'll have some more parts. I'm going to switch it around. Okay, most people would say don't go into this place. Look at it. In it sits a 64 Cadillac convertible for parts, just because it's the only way I'm going to get it out of here. I got to duck down low. There she is. Still got a lot of good parts on her. Check out these walls. Yep. Yep. Yep and yep. what was holding, there was a seat holding one of those walls up. So anyways, this is my latest project here. 429 Turbo 400. Got some good parts on it still. I think the door's still good. Hood's nice and straight. Got good hood hinges. All the electrical wiring. I got the interior, some of it at home. It was pretty well shot. Do have a really good trunk section. Just got poked in the ear with a branch. Ouch, that hurts. Anyway, so here's what I've been doing all morning. Is taking out this dash. That was quite a project. But there it is. You can't see much of it. But I got a good dash pad, got a good dash, air conditioning. As you can see, this thing is nice and rotted out. Camaro seats. Oh, to look above you here, check this out. Check out the slant on that thing. Well, let's see if I can. I can't see much. It's pretty heavy to load. Well, I'll pop it in there in a minute when I get it off. Okay. Wiring is all intact without having to cut anything. That'll be the next project, saving private wires. There we go. Okay, here's the result of the dash taking out. Check out that dash. It's a nice dash. The thing I had to break was the glove compartment, the inside of it. But there we go. There's our 1964 Cadillac convertible dash. Okay, next thing was to take the dash pad off. So I had to loosen those couple screws there. There's a couple here. And then there's a pin that slides in that little groove. I just spread that groove and pop it. So here you see, these were the screws from the cluster gauge. That pin right there, it slides in when you put it on. A couple bolts there, and on the top, it slides from these spring actuated dealies, but I took the brackets off anyway. And check it out, we have a really nice dash. Also saved the instrument cluster. I gotta dust it off. And the actual dash, other than the glove box.